Mommy, class 1, class the other day, yes? JSS1. Yes.
Yeah. I'm going for the mega for us to go to now they ask the other one. Ask her for the HIS. Come on.
Okay. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are pleased to have Her Excellency Mrs. Fatima Abdul in our midst. On that grounds, we will now call somebody to lead us in a short Christian prayer. Anybody that is moved? Okay, let us say the Lord's Prayer together. Our Father, power and glory forever and ever. Amen. Anybody to lead us in Muslim prayer? Afati. Okay, we now call on the scripture union of the Methodist Senior Secondary School to come and welcome Her Excellency Mrs. Fatima Abdul.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Gloria Awadaga.
Here. What you? If I judge, you know video me.
Thank you very much, the Speaker Union of Methodist Secondary School. Okay? Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Republic of Sierra Leone, your entourage, colleagues, teachers, our noble peoples, I greet you all in the name of God. It's an opportunity for me this moment to welcome you to our midst. I know Methodist Secondary School, like any other school, is a school in Sierra Leone. And these schools are yours. Being privileged to have you in our midst is a blessing. I want to continue to say, like I said, it's an opportunity that I'm here. My acting principal had an accident and had a fracture on the hand. So in his absence, I'm here to work in his absence. So on his behalf, I want to say welcome to you. Welcome to Methodist Secondary School. This is your school, and we are privileged and blessed to have you. I want to say we are overwhelmed with your contribution, together with His Excellency. We all know the impact of education, the importance of education, not only in transforming one's life chances, like it was said by Dr. Sandy Bakari late, of blessed memory, but also help to promote the growth, peace, unity, and cohesion of a state. If we have a reasoning mind, if we are well to that level, we can judge between wrong and good. We are able to take wise decisions. Methodist Secondary School, like any other school, acknowledge your contribution. Before now, we have our kids who have been driven out of school for school fees. That is no more. We appreciate you. Some of our kids also miss lessons because of natural happening. It is not really an ideal situation that they have to run home when they experience it, this menstrual. But sometimes they are running home because they want to go and attend to it. With your presence and intervention, and all other donors that have come before your coming, we want to appreciate them, we want to appreciate you and say thank you. Her Excellency, Madam First Lady, as a school, senior school, we are presently occupying. This is our compound. But with the advent of the free education for girls, introduced by the late President Tijamba Kaba, we had an influx. And we are all moving on a parallel shift. But because of the free quality, we want to ensure that we add quality to the one we already had. We were forced to move at the back. We may not go there, but I want you to know that we at the SS are occupying at the back, although not entirely completed, to provide a very conducive atmosphere for learning that we are expecting for our children. But we are there at this moment. We want to appreciate you and want to call on you and the President, the Minister of Education, that our school needs some improvement at the back. I want to tell you also that we are all involved. This is a pandemic, is disturbing the educational system. The current SS3 you see about to start very soon, any moment from now. But 2 terms they lost because of the COVID. We want to appreciate your contribution and the intervention of the government that we are able to resume and to continue. I only want to tell you that it is disturbing us. You know, sometimes when we resume, we are getting materials for the fight late. But with all that, we are trying. I want to again say thank you, because your effort and contribution is making a very good impact. Because if we look at the NPSC result, we look at the Becker result, we see that, girls, you are not making fruitless endeavor. Because we saw what happened during the NPSC and the Becker. I think in the NPSC we have first, second, third, all girls. So we appreciate you and what you are saying. I want to round up, because I know you may have much to do. I want to just say thank you and to say welcome to Methodist Secondary School. You are safe. Thank you all. I want to thank my acting principal. I want the first lady to know that this is the Miss School. We are having a co-education here. So let her not be, what be the figure ladies present here. So Madam First.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma.
Nice now, hungry. But I'm so happy. I'm so pleased to be here. I'm acting principal. If you're acting on behalf of the principal and all the staffs of this great school, I'm very humbled to be here this afternoon, and to first of all take the opportunity to wish you Happy New Year on behalf of His Excellency the President. Happy New Year, ladies.
Long life, many years to come.
Okay. I feel like I'm too far away from you guys.
Yes.
Just for today. But today, I want to teach 2 different subjects. Yes? And the subjects that I want to teach you are going to be very unusual, and I know I will Ladies, I want to talk to you today about sex. Now, who knows the word sex? Come on, if you know the word sex, I'm not saying if you are having sex. I said if you know the word sex, you know the meaning of sex. Put your hands up. I mean, you mean one day you know you read the word sex? So if you know, I'm not saying if you are having sex. I'm not saying if you don't go to have sex. I said if you just know the word. If you know the word, put your hands up. If you don't know, that is you lying to yourself. Now, sex, ladies, I believe you know, and then call Mama Papa business. But sex, you can have, but only do it at the right time. You said you don't know the word sex. Because it's like when someone said, I don't drink water. And you know you are lying to yourself. Because I know you all know the word sex. I can't point fingers, I mean, how many of you are already having sex? But I'm saying to you, please, have sex only when you're ready. Have sex when you're ready. Sex is a choice. Sex is a choice. So when you are making that choice, make sure you are ready. You are not only ready as a human being, but you're ready as a woman. A child should abstain from sex. sex. Are we together?
Yes, ma'am.
A child should abstain from what?
Sex.
Have sex when you're ready. Have sex when you can handle it. Because now let me break it down. When you do have sex, the tendency of you getting pregnant is 99.9%. The tendency of getting pregnant is 99.9%. Again, when you do have sex, especially when you do have unprotected sex, the tendency of having HIV/AIDS is 99.9%. And the tendency of having STDs, such as chlamydia, is 99.9%. Do you guys know what is chlamydia? Okay, chlamydia is a kind of sickness. When you have it, it stays inside your womb. You know what your womb is? Yes. So you don't know sex, but you know your womb. Now your womb is where the baby sleeps. If you have chlamydia, it stays through your uterus into your womb and it eats them. It eats them. Now by the time you realized, maybe it's 10, 15 years later, when you're now ready to have baby, you will not be able to have one because chlamydia has eaten up your womb. And you don't have chlamydia by drinking water. You don't have HIV/AIDS, you can have through blood transfusion. But chlamydia you can only have through sex. So now you guys need to wise up. When I say sex, say not my portion. Sex?
Not my portion.
Listen. Now I'm going to change this education narrative so that our little kids over there, they can understand us properly. Most of them are looking up to you guys as they are seniors. So they understand why the First Lady today chose to come to Methodist and give lecture. Una money. You see sex? Eh? I beg do I only way you know see it already, huh? Una they go to the hospital. Una can go back to the hospital. Yes. Well, I want to begin to take special task. Una they go to the hospital. Which una they go do? Una go to the hospital. Una go there for investigate how many people they die per day in the hospital. And una check how many people in the die. Una try to know how many of them na picking their way get the same age like una. Are we together?
Yes, ma'am.
The number of picking away that they die in our hospital is unbelievable. You know why? Because then they go get belly. And then when they go for go born, because na picking them, na small picking them, them body not ready. They're not able to make it, then they die. You want to be one of them?
No.
Una all the three die?
Yes.
Or die, you get okay. But what I'm saying to you, please, let sex, let hungry for sex no make. You go be one of them picking the way and they go pull care go na mortuary. I want to begin go na hospitals. Una they listen?
Yes, ma'am.
Una begin go na the hospital there because sometimes I know we can't talk, but when una begin see the facts for una self, una go understand. Yeah? Now sex, na different category of sex the way are they against na this country. And na the two that they can't talk about. Because na the two they're very dangerous right now. The one na then sugar daddy them. And I see una they laugh. Now wait, I don't touch something on a sabi and now then sugar daddy sex. When I see the old party, they all get picking the winner the same age as una. We see them can put the motoka na the motoka when they can pack na they don't send waiting better pastor they for go pick the young picking. The young picking they carry and go na house, they go get the best food, they put security in a gate, they protect the young picking inside house. Now then they pick una, they show na 1 million euros. And some of una greedy to points, I let them show na 100,000 na they go. Now from that money, when they don't know say, money they able take you for carry go any side. What thing they know they do to the young picking them? What thing they know they allow for happen to the young picking them? Now they do to una. So una for begin for learn the word no. Because no is one important thing in your own personal development. You say no. So sugar daddy and old part 6. And then a human crime against humanity. Now the other one. Because sugar daddy and old part 6 na abuse of children. And a crime. The other one. And anyone can say na me childhood sweetheart. Na me boyfriend no more. Na me to grow. Na me neighbor in begin. We are two at the same age. Now that boy when they come to you at this age, when you force for long and have sex, he don't like you. That boy will like you. It will help you for long and study. It will help you for let you pass your exam. It will make sure say you know the spinal class. Now how many of you can spy? Now can spy? Oh, like you just by half? Yeah. But you don't say when you study, when you focus on your book, you study. You don't need for spying. Yes. So that time you need for make. The time when you get for the go fender, but go on and go na them corner them. The time when you did fold, you didn't fold, wait yourself. That time you use them for the study. You know the study. Now any young man will like you, it will help you for let your education go before. You know the first you for go have sex. But then when they do, I want to tell you now waiting to happen. You see when you come, it's up na that road. I don't know if na so una can cancer or na so. But when see guy sitting up and I put in trosis down, I had a trosis day now. None of the new style where they say they don't get the way people they don't crease, they don't know waiting for you. So they take it trosis, you put it down. You understand? Half of your body they not do. The community they call and say you waste, but half they not do. And see? Why can I Monday can't say you na sweetheart? Tuesday, they go na Islamic, they go meet another sweetheart na Islamic. Wednesday, they go HRSS, yes. Na they other sweetheart today. Yes. Now you go the feel say that you want, now play the and play with you now. Yes. But if you serious, you hold your book, you concentrate on your education. Where can I want and treat and treat, they begin to treat you differently because they know say you not the one way they play with. But when you say Monday na me turn, kalo go, you follow them. Now they bad thing can begin. So please, una begin for wise up. Una lucky for get free quality education. We no be get the opportunity. Una begin for realize say the only thing we go pull this country here from poverty is education, education, and education. And that responsibility is in your hands. Because now when I don't get the opportunity, you have free quality education. Make use of it. Use it as if your life depends on it. Use it as if this is the only thing that will transform your future tomorrow, because it is the only thing that can transform your future. When you are educated, you can sit in any office with the best, or the son of a president, the daughter of a president. Maybe you will be better than them because you are more enlightened with your education. Education makes you become an equal to anybody. The only time they know they look down on you, now when they know so waiting they get in their head, you self get in your head. So us women, we already are disadvantaged in many fronts. Now is the time to change that. Now is the time for you guys to have a dream. Don't just say, I just want to finish my secondary school, that's it. I'm going to get married and go, that's it. No. I want to finish my secondary school. I want to go to college, and I want to have a degree, and then I will decide when I want to get married. Because marriage is a choice. Sex is a choice. Education
is your right. So today, I'm here to talk about sex, which you don't want to talk about and is happening, but you have to talk about it. Because it's only when you know the danger of sex, then you can protect yourself. It's only when you know the danger of having sex with the wrong man, then you can protect your friend. You can protect your sisters. Have that communication with them. The other thing I want to talk about, now, what I found out if I give you an exam right now, go pass. For which I don't teach you. Do you understand what I say? If I tell una say, let this school write me a proper essay, because they don't challenge HRSS picking them this morning, say everything where I tell them, make them write an essay, and then compile them so that I will see waiting and I understand, so that I know say me work and I am not to wasted worker. Now the other thing where I know say una all the happen to them, una no one for talk about that. You see, even your principal, your acting principal, he was talking and he could not pronounce the word. He was struggling to pronounce the word menstruation. Now, who are we not? Are you not a woman? Yes. Now, who does see their menstruation? I am proud to say I do see my menstruation. Eh? What are they see menstruation? I not ask that you because me don't say me. As I the pledge now, my name is Fatima Madabio and I do see my menstruation and I am proud. Now, who does see their menstruation? Me. Okay, when I look back in the box, the logo. Why would I they shame? Eh? When I don't get drink water? So why you they shame for something when not nature? Why you they shame for say I see me menstruation, not to cry? That thing when a part of your body. And the best part of menstruation is the fact that when you see your menstruation, that means you are healthy. You should be proud. When you see your menstruation, then you know you are not pregnant. You should be proud. Now, why would you be proud to drink water, but you are ashamed to say, I see my menstruation? Now, wait, your menstruation are crying? No. Okay, now, I can't say one can't like for me. How many of you they use pieces so that they see your menstruation? How they go? Listen, I know how we feel for use pieces where they see you menstruation because I did not use them before. Eh? Let me show you what you have on. When you don't put the pieces, you don't come to school. Now, where they sit down, you know they sit down too low. Eh? Any minute, anybody will look at ask her waiting. Then you go see Paddy and look behind me about anything they do. That's why they say they have. Eh? Yes. Oh, then the other thing was, hey, can't cover me, no, eh? Not so? Yes. So why on the shape? You should be proud. You should be proud to say, I do see my menstruation. And I don't make I go around now for talk to her because I see say menstruation and sex in this country are not trouble. Nobody know for talk about it. Like see, we go to the Bible, they say don't speak about it. We go to the Quran, they say you cannot talk about it. You know they're in the Bible, not in the Quran. Because it is part of our body. You understand? Yes, ma'am. Now Eve, now put me at this one. Now go eat the forbidden apple. So we are paying for that crime. Okay? But not that we commit the crime. So we should be proud because we know say when you see your menstruation, that means you're well. And that means for a girl like you, it means you are not pregnant. Okay? So that's why we have to talk freely. I don't let people let me, I don't let fake. Now how many of us here are menstruation? Yes. I they watch us so if you are not the open, not the give back. How many of us are so ashamed to talk about menstruation? Oh, they're not ashamed? Okay, I go come. How many of you actually tell your father when you're seeing your menstruation? Hey. How many of you tell your brother when you're seeing your menstruation? You do? Fantastic. Let me tell you something. Fathers and brothers are so protective of us girls, you'll be surprised. It is natural for your mother to know you're seeing your menstruation because she's a woman. But it is more great for your father to know because then they can help you. One thing, men are one-sided. I'm sorry, Mr. Principal, not vexed. Yeah? Anything they know. Now that no more, na the 20th, na the 20th. So if they put on 20th, now they begin to see period. They see. If they begin watch. If you sick, if they ask. If they buy for you medicine, they go find you pad because he don't know. But when you not tell her, how they help you? Tell you, Papa, you can for be free for talk to man them about this. Because now the only way that one the way we go able to bring when they talk about equality. You can for be free. One day they don't say, Papa, you sabi and no man, hey, no man know the way not avoiding a menstruation as long as they get away. Yes. Yes. Because when they wife they see in period, did they tell her? They go say they see. No. So why you when you born? Why you not for tell her? When I begin for engage your fathers, engage your brothers. Fathers and brothers are more protective of girls than mothers. Okay? Even when it comes to sex, I'm not saying go and tell your father that I'm going to have sex here tomorrow. No. But don't be afraid to ask certain questions. Especially if you have a good relationship with your dad. Because only them can help us. Okay, I'm going straight to the point now. We have, you see, me and where they work out to me picking. So that Leona no say, boy picking and then when they be very supportive, they can be very supportive, okay? So this is your sanitary pad, okay? In here, you have 120 pieces. 120. And then 120, it will last you for the whole year. So for 1 year, una no can have nobody in this school again. Because una get. If you can't work, that means you're not serious. Now what I want to advise you, as from today, when you go in a house, you take 3, you put it inside your bag, your school bag. So that may be your emergency mechanism. In case you didn't at school, you begin for C period, just go and put your pad and go back to class. So always make sure you get at least 3 inside your bag. Okay? Now this is your pad. It's totally sealed from all sides, all corners. No side, no open. Yeah? So not a deal for them 1 person and 2 person go shape. Everybody they care for 1 year. You see how? Yes. You see how the seal and thing? Yes. You see the packet one side the way open and thing? Yes. Now you see the parts that you see I see? Yes. Now the only way when they open now, now when you set grip and open like this. Okay? You see how? Now this is your part. Now the one way they like it and they use part, they don't put it. So we might be the use pieces at the top for them understand how to use them because we said the land before I able to for use them. Okay? But before I show you, I want to now read the message on the president writes for the part for owner girls alone. So that he say anytime that they use this. Now when I read their message there, let's stay on our head. The first one is said, tomorrow belongs to those who are educated today. So that what does that mean? That means say, When you go do your education today and you finish and you learn, you make sure say you get the qualification where you deserve, you tomorrow will be a brighter tomorrow. Because anybody will not learn, this generation what we do now, this one what we do pass, you not learn, you don't get trouble. So tomorrow belongs to those who are educated today. Please be inspired with these words. Every day say, I want to be the game changer for tomorrow, so education will be my priority. Now the second thing where the president write for Una, he said, marriage my choice, education my right. Marriage my choice, education my right. Now for no Una girl picking and no say, education are you right? So then nobody no fool you say, no, you're not girl picking, you not go to college, not go to university, go learn. No. That is not abuse. Because education are your human rights. Now that's what the president they try for long now understand. Then the other one is say united against rape. When I not say we launch Hands Off Our Girl campaign. Yes. But we're still going around for make sure say people they understand why they need for take that and dirty hand and come up and begin it. United against rape. That means that when you see somebody or you know somebody, you party in a class, you know say somebody the way they abuse and sexually, please come to one of your teachers, they can tell her. Because listen, if you see that person, they'll confide in you. Not because you want to keep it secret, you want to say you help her. So that the best way that the way you go help her. Help her for make sure say they're not abuse them again. Not keep them secrets. Protect them by either going to the nearest police station or protect them and coming to somebody when a senior person at the school and make me know and the big one. Please, we are not allow the abuse continue in this country again. Me one not able to solve them. But if we all help me, we're able to weed out all their rapists them one by one and we go lock them up one by one. Then we go get a free and safe place for we girls to. And finally, waiting Mother be alright here. This one not to Mother be alright and I'm here right now because I just need for the remind Mother be say me and Una will be not top secret. So right now as a menstruation is not a choice. My girls need free sanitary pads. So for tomorrow, if I'm not able to give free sanitary pad, let the government know say we need them. So this is me on way also for telling the Papa government today they begin any sanitary pad. Now for me and Una when I the first time this one they use this pad and they bring and download and understand fine. This is your pad. Now you see when you pull this. If you know how they use a pad, please pay attention a little bit. I'm not enjoying you at all. Because we said from the ever to use that, and we said to the user. You see? Where you pull the pad, this one. So when you don't read all their messages there, now you can pull them out. The paper way there, I don't pull them all together, okay? So you see how the pad is. Now you see how, you see, I hold up. No. It's stick for me? Yes. You know why? Because the back here, it gets something like a glue where they hold your pants. Do you understand? Yes, ma'am. I beg, I don't want to let you shame. Why look you not shame at all? Because me, I know the shame I can use them. You see, yes. Now this is the way. You know, say where you put, you see, cold follow me, I'm like a decent tea. Yes. So now this one, you know the because in white man they don't follow for we already. You understand? Yes. So you can take like you lay a soul inside your pants. When you lay a look, you get wings then on the side. Eh? Yes. See the instead you get paper now. If I pull this paper, it gets sticker like a just here. So when you put around, you see her, you turn them round, you see you turn them round now where you don't buy your pants. So you turn them under your pants, for then you hold them firm. So when you see you don't turn this, you don't turn this. Hey, when you can begin the wrong sports, no worry. Play football, no worry. Basketball, anything where you will do and because I will tell you, nothing will happen. You are protected. And for show you how protected you are, I can't put WhatsApp and alone as here. Okay? Now you see this? Are they gonna tell me which color this? White. Now which color white? Thank you, at least when I don't get a name. Maybe they call them white. Plain white, they don't get mark, they don't get dirty, when I know say them, they don't put one part in social media like saying that the pad will have the give 90. Yes. Then forget say I not even begin for give pad yet. Me pad, you see where it clean? It clean like a owner. You see where it fine? Yes. It fine like a owner. Part saying and Mrs. B part saying a lie. You always give me if you by me. You understand? So you see what in up so the part where me they use. Now the one where Mrs. B customize and make sure say if you by me exactly. Okay? And the good thing about this part, we make sure say then check her, then check in quality, then give me a certificate for sure say it is safe for loan user. So the one they wake up for bright Bokuna social media, where then they sometimes and then pound one when you don't go Europe, you don't go understand the word. Then pound shop. The most inferior part, I think you use America, London. But now they get for come back right now social media say then part they are not safe. You understand? Yes. But then they use then they go buy 10,000 the own part. Because now calculator alone understand the cheap pad where they can use the 10,000 the own pad. My sisters and they then come to America and London. They not go, they go tell you say I know where to at the top because now they miss every day. Now one pound, then $1 shop then I didn't go now then $1 shop they buy. They wear them. For them it's good for them. But anything good for Sierra Leone, they will turn them something else because they are enemies of progress. Now I beg, since now another for the defend the pad. They can show now how the example of how good this pad is, and for tomorrow, anybody where one for tell to go to now and pad and waiting say when I tell and say go, even pad say when I want bring politics, when I tell them say when Mrs. Bio been coming, let me ask if the papa na APC vote for or the mama na SPP vote for. And I feel like the mama and papa you say say you the vote whether you support not only business, what I care about now your safety. Okay? So for me, that's important. What I care about for make sure say you're in a school. Now before I put water, today I give you this part free. Next year I know they give you free. Thank you. You see, when I'm a good student, they will not ask questions. You know why? No. Next year, before I can give this part, I can ask the principal for giving me your attendance list. If you're not picking when they can school regularly, I know they give me bad. And I'm so happy for that day. If you're not a student where they can school 90% of the year, you don't deserve to get anything free. So me, me on condition than on this part. So next year, why they come? You go talk to you talk about because now you attendance list now they look. Okay? Yes. So now that is the condition. Why I say not to free, now that I mean. As long as your attendance list is good, you will have your card free of charge. Yeah? So I just demonstrate now. Yes. When I see one whole auntie, yes. I did not look the water where they scatter because where they do a fast. Yeah? Now the water they turn to the pad, okay? Now you see, huh? Yes. When I make sure say all side on the water before I begin for show now. So now you will know how good and how safe you will be when you wear the pad tomorrow, yeah? Now the water they turn so. Now take no more they take her. You know they vomit her, you know they spit her. See ya? And because I did for Russia, so this one, I just wait to say from see. You see ya? See any water they come inside? No. And can continue for put more. Yeah? Now wait because of time, because we need forget her. In fact, enough now make time for put this cold bottle the kind say not the drop now. So how good the card day. Okay? So please use it with confidence that every morning when you get by your menstruation, not use menstruation again or miss out of school. Be inspired to be in school. Because now the solution to your menstruation, you don't bring your come to you. And be free for talks that they for me menstruate. When I principal say when they pray for talk, ask if you have the same menstruation, if you not keep telling them. And say people go buy for the woman, I can't hear. You understand? So now begin for have this conversation freely, yeah? When I see her, you see, make a car over you are, yeah? You know, say, when they see we period, not only the pump open, and small they come out, so look, these are just put at them forcefully, but nothing, one water not they come out. Yeah? So that means say, when you wear them, you know say, not to pump open by you. Now small they come out. Tell before this they flop. You go don't go to your house, you don't know it's school, you don't know house now, you don't worry again. So be comfortable and have confidence, say you are protected. Okay? So they can't give you this part here. We know they give the teachers them forgive you, not to become not trust them. We know they give the teachers them forgive you, not to become not trust them. We they give you now we say so that you know what talk say another day. Because when you say another day, I will show you picture. Hearing? So please, I don't want fet, I don't want push. I want to do an account a day as ladies. So ladies, I don't go to the third school this morning, but Una some kind of lady they wearing they think they come on, Una clap for them. One noise Una no make. Una don't really show say when they train you to be a lady, you know how to be a lady. So I'm very happy. Dear beg, how na dey so? Na so I want. Or they start from the front row. Okay? Now by road no push. We get for una all way day na here. Okay? We get for una all way there. Dear, una way close. Una way close. Because we get one say we can only.
No, not from one. SS.
Which class you did? Which one are from one?
Just SS1.
No, but come over Listen, it's SSS1, SSS2, and SSS3. Okay? Una hearing me 5? Yes. Please, also be clear condition today that everybody should be in their uniform. So if you are not in the uniform, wait. No, we make sure say the one that we expect me all as they do that one.
Let us secure Anna first. Police, let us secure. Okay.
When they get anybody, they come out.
When they give you, they come out, you cancel.
They come out, then you cancel.
No, we are not do so. I just don't so. No, we don't say the lead up.
My room.
When I want to know where you live from, when I wait for
you. Or you wait till until you go lock in. When I know where you live from, I should have been free. But I only get you. How they gonna soon as you don't shoot?
when I sit down, let nobody know grab. Wake up! Let it come through.
Okay, yeah, you're going.
Chair lady of this noble institution. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First, let me say, I may like to acknowledge the presence of our mother, Madam Fatima Jabi Bio, and also the teaching staffs of this noble institution, my fellow colleagues at the same academic struggle. Good morning to you all. I'm standing in front of you all this morning to say a very big thanks to our visitors. especially our mother, who has just supplied us a great sanitary pad that will be protecting us, of course, for this whole year. So we may like to say thank you, ma'am. Your visit to this school, of course, will be a great record for us in this school, especially with the pupils. Now, I would like to say thank you all for welcoming us in this school. And also, we hope and pray that your visit will continue and you will continue to recognize us in terms of development and other things. With that, I thank you all.
Thank you.
And come on.